Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my W164 chassis Mercedes ML class vehicle, and today I'm going to show you how to safely put it up on jack stands. Now the reason that I'm making this video is actually in response to a viewer. They asked the question, how do you put the car safely up? So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to go through the procedure. But I will add that this video is actually applicable to both the ML and GL class vehicles, and in fact the later model W166 or X166 chassis of vehicles. But anyway, let's get into it. So folks, to put the car safely up on jack stands, I've got some essential equipment here. I've got my quality 3-ton low profile jack, and I've also got a lifting mount there. I've then got my 4 quality jacks. You can see these are heavy duty, and then I've got 2 wheel chocks just for extra safety. So before we start, make sure the vehicle's in park and that the parking brake is firmly on. Next, we place the chocks behind the rear wheels. So with the vehicle safely secured, we will lift from the front jacking point under the engine, and then with the front of the vehicle lifted, we will put the jack stands on the jack lifting points on the front vehicle on both sides. So with the front of the vehicle safely on jack stands, what we're then going to do is to lift the rear of the vehicle with the jack. Now, because this vehicle's got an OEM tow bar, which is securely mounted to the chassis, we're going to lift from the tow bar. But if you don't have an OEM tow bar, you're going to need to come in underneath and lift from the differential. But just make sure you use a block of wood to safely protect your differential from the jack.
So let's put the jack in position under the front lifting point and lift the front of the vehicle up.
So with the front of the vehicle raised, we can then put the jack stands in position at the front. So as you can see, I just position the jack stands like this, so that the groove in the jack stand positions nicely under that jacking mount point, just like that. And the same for the other side. And importantly, we need to make sure that the front 2 jack stands are at the same height. So we do that simply by counting the number of holes. You can see we've got 2 holes exposed on both the front left and front right. So we're good to go, and we'll take that lifting hydraulic jack out now. Importantly, we just lower the car slowly onto those front jack stands. So with the front safely on the jack stands, it's time to lift the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, I've got my jack positioned under my OEM tow bar. But as I said before, if you don't have an OEM tow bar, make sure you lift from the rear differential. So let's lift it up. So with the rear of the vehicle lifted, it's just a matter then of putting the rear jack stands into position. As you can see, we've got it safely there, so it's going to come under the jacking point, and same for the other side. And with those rear jack stands in position, we can slowly let the vehicle down. So now with the car safely up on all 4 jack stands, we can take all 4 wheels off safely. We can work on the brakes of the vehicle. If we want to adjust the parking brake or remove discs and that sort of thing, we can take the parking brake off safely. And importantly, if we've got work to do under the vehicle, we can easily now get under the vehicle safely. So there you go folks, that's how to safely put your Mercedes ML or GL class vehicle up onto jack stands so that you can work on the vehicle without having any issues at all. If you have liked this video, do drop us a like or a comment below, it's truly appreciated. And in the future, if you're interested in doing your own maintenance on your vehicle, in particular, I have been doing a front to back series where I am replacing every single fluid. I've done all the fluid above the vehicle, so all in and around the engine bay. Now I'm actually going to be jumping on underneath the vehicle. I'll start with the front differential and I'll work my way all the way through to the rear differential. So if you're interested in that content or any other servicing, we've got the Mazda, the Audi on the channel, or DIY maintenance around the house, do subscribe to the channel. But until next time, have a good evening.